So hello everyone, today we are going to see what is outliers in the machine learning with one solved example. So first of all, let us see what is outliers. So an outlier is the data point that is very different from the rest of the data. It can be usually higher or usually lower compared to the other data sets present, values present in the data set. For example, suppose we have age data set, that is 20, 22, 24 and 100. So in that, the 100 will be our outlier because it is very far away from the other values present in the dataset. So usually outliers can occur due to the data entry mistakes, or we can say measurement errors or any rare events. So in machine learning, outliers are very important because they can affect the accuracy and also the performance of the model. Therefore, usually what done in the machine learning, we identify and detect or analyze the outlier before our model is begin to the training. So let us see the steps we do while solving the outlier example. So now these are the steps we will use while solving the outliers example in the machine learning. So first we will arrange the given data set in the ascending order. Then we will compute the 5 number summary. So what is 5 number summary? From the data set we will find the mean number q1, median q3 and the max number. Then third step we will find the IQR detection. IQR detection is the interquarter range detection, which is interquarter range detection are q1 and q3. So we will apply the formula, that is q3 minus q1, and then we will find the lower bound, then we will find the upper bound. And if suppose the number present in the data set are all are should be within the lower bound and the upper bound. If the any number is less than the lower bound or it is greater than the upper bound, it will be considered as the outliers. And then we will do the box and whisker plot diagram representation of the whole data set and the outliers. Now let us consider one example of outliers. The example is given: a data set representing student marks, that is 35 to 90 we have, and task is given. We have to first compute the first number summary, then we have to calculate the IQR, we have to identify the outliers amongst them, and we have to show the plot representation. So first step, as we have seen, we have to check whether the given data set is in ascending order or not. So as we know that the given we can check the given data set is in ascending order. Now the second step is to find the 5 number summary. So from this we will find the mean. So mean we have 35, max we have 90. If we see, we have median. So we have median that is 48. Then we will find q1. So we will find q1 from 35 to the median, and from that we will find the mid. So we have the mid 41, so it will become our q1. Now q3 will be from like 50 to 90. So we have 52 and 55 divided by 2, so we will get 53.5. so it will become our q3. Now the next step is to find IQR detection. So for that we will do q3 minus q1. So we have q3 53.5 minus 41. So we will get the answer as 12.5. Now we are moving to the third step. We have to find the lower bound. So formula for finding lower bound is q1 minus 1.5 into IQR. Now we have q1 as 41 minus 1.5 into, we have found the QR, that is 12.5. so we will get the final answer as 22.35. So now we will find the upper bound. So for finding the upper bound, we have formula as Q3 plus 1.5 into IQR. So we will put the values in it. So we have Q3 as 3.5 plus 1.5 into 12.5. So we will get the final answer as 72.25. Now we will check whether our all the data or all the data values are within the upper bound and the within the lower bound and the upper bound. If we observed in this, so all numbers are greater than the 22.35 and within the 72.25. So 90 is greater than the upper bound. So here we have found that our outlier is 90. So we have get that 90 is the outlier. Now we will draw the box and whisker plot diagram. Plot diagram. So for that, we will give the numbering. Now we will first we will do the marking. That mean we have 35. Then we will give a Q1, median Q3 and max. So mean we have 35, Q1 we have 41, median is at 48, Q3 is at 3.5 and max is 90. So we will plot in it. So first we will check mean. So mean is that 35. So here will be our 35. Median. So Q1 starts from. So our Q1 starts from 41. So here will be our 41. Then Q3 53. So here will be our Q3. We will drop box here. And we have median at 48. So we will mark suppose 48 here. So this will be our median. This will be our Q1 and this will be our Q3. And here we have our mean. And we have our median max at 90. Now we have find the lower bound. So lower bound is at 22.35. So 22.35 we will mark here 22.35 and we have our upper bound 72.25. So we will mark here 72.25, which is our upper bound. This is our lower bound. So in this way we will represent a plot diagram which will show our lower bound, our mean, that is our the starting mean number is within our lower bound, and then here it shows the upper bound and the number exceeds the upper bound is stated as a outlier. So in this way we will solve the outlier example, which shows us that we have find that then our 90 in the data set is the outlier which can affect our accuracy. So we will detect and analyze it before the model training.